What's up guys, for today's how-to I'm going to be showing you how to hide your Instagram followers and followings. Log into your Instagram first, click settings and privacy, scroll down a little bit, for account privacy if it says public, kindly click that and then change it to private account. Once your Instagram's in a private mode, people will not see your followers or your following list unless they follow you first. Also remove some of your followers so that they won't be able to see your followers or following list. Now you need to go back to your own Instagram profile, click home or click your profile icon, refresh it, go to settings and privacy again and check if the account privacy is in the private mode. That's it you guys for today's quick how-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell below so you wouldn't miss any of our videos.